How to add a CT digital or CT analog clock widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, on the left panel, tap on the Customize button. And then just below the clock, tap on the Widget panel. In the Add Widgets window, scroll down and then tap on Clock. Now in here, swipe across and locate CT Digital or CT Analog widget. So select whether you want to use the CT Digital clock. So tap on that. So there is a small size and a large size. You can also tap on the Delete button from the widget to delete any existing widget. So here I will add in a CT Digital clock as well as CT Analog clock. And from here, you can tap on the clock itself to change the city. So we can now change the city to say Brazil. And the small one, I can change it to say Alexandria, Egypt. And then tap on the close button, then tap on the close button again to close the widgets window. Then tap on the done button to save the changes. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And here you'll be able to view your clock widget on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.